With the election bugle being sounded in Delhi, the three main contenders are ramping up their poll strategies. The Congress has decided to fight the elections under Ajay Makan's leadership. The BJP has boosted its chances by drafting in leaders from other parties, and the Aam Aadmi Party is reaching out to people with rallies. The Congress has ended several days of speculation by choosing Makan's leadership to contest the Delhi polls. The decision was announced after a meeting of the party's highest decision-making body, the CWC.
We have constituted a campaign committee for the Delhi elections. Mr. Ajay Makan will head this campaign committee. Mr. Ajay Makan, as the chairman of the committee, we have constituted a 101-member campaign committee.
The Congress has formed a 101-member campaign committee for Delhi Assembly polls under Makan, but it's not clear yet from which seat will Makan contest the elections. Reports say he'll contest from the Sadar seat, although earlier it was being said that he could be pitted against AAP convener Arvind Kejriwal from the New Delhi seat. Makan is also the Congress's General Secretary and Media Cell in charge. He represented the Delhi seat in the 14th Lok Sabha and was a Union Minister. But he lost the last parliamentary elections from the same seat last year to the BJP's candidate.
हम ये मानते हैं कि करप्शन एक बहुत बड़ा मुद्दा है और उसके खिलाफ में हमारे को लड़ना चाहिए। आम आदमी पार्टी ट्रस्टेड हो सकती है, टेस्टेड नहीं। हमारे बहुत सारे लोग ट्रस्टेड भी हैं और टेस्टेड भी हैं और मैं दिल्ली की जनता से यही अनुरोध करूंगा कि जो ट्रस्टेड हैं और टेस्टेड हैं उनको मौका दें।
The announcement of poll dates has also triggered off a fresh round of defections.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी को इससे कोई परिवर्तन कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला है। इससे कांग्रेस को क्या कुछ फर्क पड़ेगा, यही एक बड़ा सवाल है।
हर पार्टी का अधिकार है कि अपना नेता चुने, अपना चेहरा चुने। कांग्रेस ने चुना है, बधाई हो उनको।
The BJP boosted its chances on Tuesday by drafting in several leaders from the Congress, AAP and other smaller parties. The day's most prominent inclusion was former Union Minister Bhuta Singh's son and former Delhi MLA Arvinder Singh Lovely.
आज इतने लोगों ने पार्टी ज्वाइन की है, उनका भारतीय जनता पार्टी में हार्दिक स्वागत है। आपके पार्टी ज्वाइन करने से निश्चित रूप से भारतीय जनता पार्टी को लाभ होगा।
Meanwhile, AAP's Arvind Kejriwal has been addressing a string of election rallies. He's targeted the BJP as a sinking ship, saying his party is contesting the polls on the strength of donations from the people.
मैं जनता से चंदा लेके चुनाव लड़ रहा हूँ, तो चुनाव जीतने के बाद जनता आएगी। अरविंद जी पैसा भी दिया था, वोट भी दिए थे, बिजली के दाम घटाओ, तो मेरे को घटाने पड़ेंगे।
The Election Commission announced the poll dates in Delhi on Monday. Campaigning is expected to be hectic and high voltage in the coming days, as the polling is set to be held on the 7th of February and results will be announced on the 10th. Newsnight Desk, DD News.